Welcome, everyone, to today's tutorial on utilizing MTM Stoploss in Quantpower. To begin, please log into your Quantpower account. Suppose you wish to establish multiple positions across 3 different indexes and want to have a stop-loss based on MTM. Let's initiate a short straddle in Bank Nifty, Nifty, and Fiend Nifty. To set up an MTM stop-loss, follow these steps. Choose the MTM algorithm. Select your desired profit and stop-loss targets. For this demonstration, let's set both targets to 3000. Once configured, start the bot. You can see the running status. Now let's wait for our target or stop-loss to get executed. And here you can see our MTM stop-loss got executed. Please note an important point: refrain from using any other stop-loss or target mechanisms while employing the MTM algorithm. This ensures smooth functioning without conflicts with other bots. And that concludes our tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to Quantpower to stay updated and ensure you don't miss out on any future tutorials or updates.